Love is patient. Love is kind. It does not envy. It does not boast. It is not proud. It does not dishonor others. It is not self-seeking. It is not easily angered. It keeps no record of wrongs. Love does not delight in evil, but rejoices with the truth. It always protects, always trusts, always hopes, always perseveres. Love never fails, but where there are prophecies, they will cease. Where there are tongues, they will be stilled. Where there is knowledge, it will pass away.
I, Lutelu, take you, Terryanne, to be my wife, to have and to hold from this day forward, better or for worse, for richer or for poor, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish, excluding all others, as long as we both shall live, with God as my witness. I give you my pledge.
My dearest Lutelu, when we first met, I didn't feel the usual butterflies. Instead, I felt an overwhelming sense of calm, a feeling I'd never experienced before. It was a feeling of hope, of love, and of courage, a feeling of coming home. Through every challenge we faced, whether mountains or molehills, our love has remained steadfast as long as we continue to love and trust each other. To have faith in the strength of our love, we can overcome anything. You've become not only my love, but a wonderful friend and stepfather to Grayson, and a fantastic father to our beautiful Ashlyn. I can't imagine my life without you. And I pray that my final moments are filled with memories of the love, laughter, and joy we've shared. I can't wait to be your wife, your best friend, your partner in crime. I love you from beginning to end.
They say we too young to get ourselves sprung. Get ourselves sprung. But to mash up my mind. Get ourselves sprung. Get ourselves sprung. But to mash up my mind.
651.
Very divine. Divine. But to mash up my mind. Oh Lord. It's driving me crazy.
Que tú a mí me rebotaste, que yo te llamaba pila oficial de ti y hasta el número cambiaste. Por eso si tú no quisiste los huesos, no venga a comer, que yo te solté por tu mala fe. Si tú no quisiste los huesos, no venga a comer, que yo te solté por tu mala fe. Que Dios te bendiga, manita, y que te vaya bien. Ojalá que te choque un carro y que te pise un tren. Pero yo quiero que tú estés bien, mejoría mirándome bien. Ojalá que la azúcar no aguante.
Hi everyone, for those who don't know me, my name's Crystal and I have the privilege of being Terryanne's best friend for over 25 years. It's hard to put into words what it means to stand in its light when you grow up alongside someone sharing school days, secrets, late night talks, heartbreaks and dreams. You just don't have a friend, you have a sister. That's who Terryanne is to me. She has been my constant, my safe place. And the person who has loved me through every stage of my life. Well, thank you for being the person who makes my best friend feel that way. You become her safe place now. So tonight, let's raise our glasses for those who have drinks. To a love that was worth waiting for. To a marriage built on friendship and trust. And to the joy of knowing that the best years are yet to come. To Luke and to Terryanne.
Good evening, everyone. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Samoan, and I had the absolute honor of being Lutelu basement Maid. And let me just say, he looks like a man who made the best decision of his life. When Lutelu first told me he was getting married, and I said, that's amazing news, you're finally doing the wedding. But I gave him one piece of advice. Whatever you do, don't come back to me. I know you came for years. And in that time, I see him growing from a cow, couldn't commit to the gym, to a man who committed his whole life to one incredible woman.